Hey there, students. Welcome back to another exciting journey into the wonders of our natural world. Ever wondered how water travels from the vast, deep ocean to your glass and back again? It's a journey that's both simple and incredibly complex. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of the water cycle. This cycle is essential for life on Earth, and it's happening all around us, all the time. So let's kick things off with the basics. Understanding the water cycle helps us appreciate the intricate balance of nature. The water cycle, also known as the hydrological cycle, is the journey water takes as it circulates from the land to the sky and back again. It's a continuous loop that's vital for sustaining life. It's a never-ending loop that keeps our planet hydrated and alive. First up, let's talk about evaporation. The sun's rays heat up the water in oceans, rivers, and lakes, turning it into vapor. This process is called evaporation, and it's the first step in the water cycle. This invisible vapor rises up into the air, leaving all the salts and impurities behind. Pretty cool, right? It's like nature's way of distilling water. Once the water vapor reaches the sky, it cools down and turns back into liquid, forming clouds. This is called condensation. It's a bit like how steam from a hot shower fogs up your bathroom mirror. Think of it like when your cold soda gets all sweaty on a hot day. The water vapor in the air sticks to the cold surface and forms droplets. The water vapor in the air sticks together and forms droplets. These droplets gather to form clouds, which are essentially floating collections of tiny water droplets or ice crystals. Now, these clouds travel around the globe, pushed by the wind. They can move over vast distances, carrying water from one part of the world to another. When they get heavy enough, the droplets fall back to Earth as precipitation. This can be in the form of rain, snow, sleet, or hail, depending on the temperature and atmospheric conditions. That's rain, snow, sleet, or hail, depending on the temperature. Each form of precipitation plays a crucial role in replenishing our water sources. But the journey doesn't stop there. Once the precipitation hits the ground, it continues its journey in various ways. When precipitation hits the ground, it has a couple of options. It can soak into the soil, becoming groundwater, which is a vital source of water for plants and animals. It can soak into the soil, becoming groundwater. This groundwater can be stored in aquifers and can be tapped into by wells for human use. Plants slurp this up through their roots in a process called transpiration. This water travels up through the plant and is eventually released back into the atmosphere from the leaves. Or it can flow over the land as runoff, eventually making its way back to rivers, lakes, and oceans. This runoff is crucial for maintaining the flow of rivers and streams, and voila, the cycle begins all over again. This continuous movement of water is what keeps our planet's water supply fresh and clean. This process not only provides fresh water, but also helps regulate the Earth's temperature. Water bodies absorb and release heat, playing a key role in climate regulation. It's a delicate balance that keeps our ecosystems thriving. Every drop of water is part of a larger system that supports life on Earth. So next time you drink a glass of water or splash in a puddle, remember, you're part of an incredible journey happening right here on our planet. Isn't that amazing? The water you see today has been on an epic adventure. That's it for now, folks. We hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the water cycle. If you enjoyed this dive into the water cycle, hit that like button and subscribe for more mind-blowing science adventures. Your curiosity fuels our journey. Thanks for watching, and keep being curious. The Science World Watermark Text.